Alright, let's try this again. Okay. So this is how to make your own little injector cleaner kit to use at home, and also to use at the track. I bought this cheap kit from eBay. Comes with these plugs direct in the injector. It's just a very small injector, and you pulse it off the battery. Yeah, cut this one off, and so I could use these to connect it. The problem with using these is I'm not sure if I can actually pressurize these to make the injector actually work as it should. Yeah, so it's very simple. Switch, Bosch 2 plug, and your power supply. So, got two negatives there, one to the plug and one to the power supply. Then you got your positive from the battery, and then the trigger, which will go to the positive of your plug. So it's, yeah, very simple. Made this one up to use at the track, so I can connect to the battery and just clean it straight off the battery. Unplug that. And to use it at home, I can use a 12-volt power supply. And this is simply just a 12-volt supply from fairy lights or Christmas lights, something like that. You know, the amperage isn't too high or anything, or too low for the injector. Yeah, so I can use it either way. It's very easy to build. Yeah, you'll see on the other video on how to use it and how it works. It actually works very well. Actually, I only thought of doing the video because I got to clean. I think my tank got contaminated with water in the ute, so I'm cleaning the 660cc injectors, and I've got to put a new fuel pump in because that's shat itself. Yeah, and yeah, the idea behind this is instead of using these things, like I said, maybe able to pressurize them somehow, I'm not sure, but this is from I think it's a 5mm syringe. Cut it off, plunger out, so the injector can fit. Should be lubricated first, but it fits in like so, and then yeah, I use a throttle body carby cleaner to connect this up, and yeah, now I'll show you how it all works in the next bit of the video. Check the plastic annoyed light. And you'll need the, oh, just to show you. That it works. Injector in here, slightly pressurized here. Pulse it. Alright. To show you in depth how it actually does work. Alright. Highlight out. Yeah, injectors, not too bad. It actually, all 4 holes were flying pretty good. There you go. Yeah, I'll show you. Jesus, it's harder than I thought.